Hi guys, good afternoon. And today, nandito tayo sa hospital lobby. Napagplanuhan namin na mag-celebrate today ng promotion ni Ate Roxanne, yung isa sa pinakamabait namin na senior nurses here in Singapore. And on July 2, that would be my last day here in Singapore. And pupunta na ako sa US para doon naman i-continue yung aking nursing journey as a nurse. Nandito ako, kasama ko yung mga friends natin na OR nurses.
Hi, my name is Nina. Julie.
And so ayan, abangan nyo kung ano ba yung magagawa namin dito sa hospital canteen.
It's called Kofu.
And yun, gusto ko na i-share sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga gagawin namin later on.
A few moments later.
So, nandito kami sa Kaufu ng hospital na pinagtatrabahuhan namin para mag-celebrate. Ayan. So, ito nga pala yung pinaka-fresh and pinaka-looking young na senior nurse here in our hospital.
I'm so thankful and blessed, especially kay God. Tsaka, alam ko namang na it's time for me na yun na nga ma-promote kasi I'm sure I did my very best naman para hindi lang sa akin, para rin sa other junior nurses kasi I've been precepting them, guiding them, and also alam naman ng mga ka-workmate ko, especially mga surgeons, mga doctor, na they know how I work really hard para maging smooth parati ang cases namin. Alam ko rin na appreciate din ako ng mga sisters. Maybe it's because of that performance na feedback from other sisters and from the surgeons. Kaya, yun, promote ako. Yay! It's better na magkaroon ng magandang communication, tsaka yung working together as a family. Not only because doctor ka or nurse ka, yung talagang both of you really work for the patient. Para sa akin, you don't have to be very strict na totally na stress na nga yung junior, i-stressin mo pa. Kumbaga, as a senior, yung talagang gusto ko rin silang alagaan as in, kasi I've been there before. I was a junior before and totally no experience. So, I've been through yung mga times na challenging time na nasisigawan ng sorhano, na napapagalitan ng mga senior staff nurses. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, if ever man na maging senior din ako one day, sabi ko sa sarili ko na I won't be too aggressive just to prove na yung seniority, yung being very in high position. No. Ang gusto ko lang is maibigay ko yung best ko para sa mga junior na nurses. Kasi dun magbi-build up yung nila, yung performance nila na calm, matututo sila. Pero if they are like so stressed na nga, i-stressin pa ng mga senior, para lang ma-prove their seniority, which is not, I think is not a very good way of teaching or precepting. So, minsan, syempre, kailangan din na maging stern sa kanila, pero they have to also, I keep on telling them na they have to show me some initiative to learn. Yun eh. Kasi kung gusto niyang matuto, then they have to prove to me na they do their best, na maybe before the case, they will do some readings about the case because I will ask questions. And I'm asking questions not just to test them. Yeah. But the thing is, para maintindihan nila bakit ganun ang procedure. Yun ang ko, para everybody will learn, di ba?
So, mga CSA natin. Yeah.
Rodan is very good.
Yeah.
Very happy for her to get promoted. Congrats.
She provide good pizza. As long as she provide good pizza, it's good enough for me.
Thank you. Have a great rest.
A few minutes later.
Very happy for Ate Roxanne sa promotion niya. And at the same time, syempre, Filipino pride, of course. And to Omar, na pupunta na rin sa Amerika soon. Proud kaming lahat sa'yo na binandera mo ang Philippine flag, na all of us can dream bigger and na makakamit natin lahat ng pangarap natin with hard work and a lot of prayer, of course.
Thank you so much, Nina. Si Gary, no comment guys. So, yan guys, sobrang saya ko kasi si Ate Roxanne may dala pang regalo sa akin guys. Ayan no. Kasi nga paalis na ako. Sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi ayun, First time ko lang din kasi maka-receive ng gift na yung paalis ka na sa work tapos may ibigay sa yung gift na ganito. So, try nating i-unbox. So ito na yung gift ni Ate Roxanne. And it's a fossil. Ayan guys, fossil na of course relo. Wow, grabe. Ayan guys, oh. Ganda.
Wow!
Talaga sa life natin, makaka-encounter tayo ng mga taong mabait and ma-appreciate tayo. And yun, today, yan, naramdaman ko yun sa senior nurse natin. Diba, siya ngayon na-promote tapos siya pa yung may paganda sa akin. Yan, so, sobrang happy ko. And yun, kailangan lang natin maging mabait sa mga taong nakakasama natin para in time, makaka-encounter ka rin ng mga taong magiging mas mabait sa'yo. Yun. Guys, ganda. Sana all. Thank you, Ate Roxanne. Para ako mayaman ito, te. Yan. Sobrang bait talaga ni Ate Rox. Thank you, Ate. Thank you so much, Ate. Yan. Sobrang ganda, guys, oh. Ito pala, guys, si Jason. Ay, guys. Ay, one of our vascular nurses. Makikilala nyo na yung brother namin dito sa Singapore. And we're very proud kasi siya yung Pilipino dito na brother. Introducing our brother for Ryan. So ano po ba masasabi niyo kay Ate Roxanne sa kanyang promotion and also sa akin na paalis na dito sa Singapore at pupunta na sa ibang bansa?
Ate Rox, okay. Well-deserved promotion. Lahat naman kasi naghirap para sa opening ng new hospital. And ayun, good luck Omar sa next career journey mo sa US. Isa ka ng ganap na American. Sana makapunta din doon at makabisita.
Ay, may tanong pala ako, sir. Anong sikreto nyo sa perfect smile nyo?
Piraulo. Naiya.
Ano
Wala yung nangyayaan.
Ano palang toothpaste nyo, sir?
Ano ng Colgate? Pwede na.
Colgate lang. Ang ganda, talagang well taken care of ang ating smile. Pag nakaluwag-luwag tayo, magpapaputi rin tayo ng ngipin, guys. Ang ganda ng ngipin ni Sir Ryan. Yan. Hindi, guys, si Jason pala, pangarap niya magkaroon ng restaurant in the future. And witness kami ni Ate Roxanne.
Tama. Yeah, I've tasted his dessert. Well, very nice.
Very nice, guys. So, ito yung sample ng mga dessert na ginagawa ni Jason. Ito na nga yung pinakahihintay natin na palitaw. Yummy Chef. Yan yung Di ba? So, introducing Julie. Julie Bake Shop. Grabe, guys. Ibang klase. And meron pa siyang tawag dito. May sausawan pa siya.
Kay Ate Roxanne, well-deserved naman yung promotion niya kasi alam mo naman na pinaghirapan niya yung position na yun. Apo. Tapos, naiya ako dun sa ngipin eh. Tapos, kay Omar, good luck sa new journey mo sa US. Alam ko, matagal mo nang inaantayan. Alam ko naman na hindi ka papabaya. God, masama, napunta ka doon.
Ito na, guys, ang Katrina Halili ng
Halili ng kanilang bahay.
Magpadala ka na lang. Ate Rox, congrats sa promotion. You deserve it. And kay Omar, good luck sa US. Hanapan mo na lang kami ng puti. Alam mo naman. Afam. Ayun, good luck, all the best. Padala ka na lang ng pangkain dito sa Singapore, okay?
fresh parang sleep day Outfit check ko. Uy, grabe. Outfit check, guys. Ayan. Hi guys, bibili na kami ng drinks and ito, vlogger na tayo. So, lahat i-document natin buhay natin. Kita Kita nyo, may senior ba na ganyan? Nagtatakal ng chili.
This is basic, bro. Wow, ang sarap guys.
Guys, oh. Look at that.
Mine is a Horfan chicken wings.
Chicken drumstick noodle. And pizza. So, kain na tayo, guys. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Roasted chicken noodles, guys. Parang pansit canton siya na Lucky Me. Pero yung noodles niya is manipis lang.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog.
Parang pwede kang mag-vlog tips. Ganda ng style natin.
Trial.
Ayoko lang ang tumabi dito. Dumidilaw yung ngipin ko pagkatapos.
Yung aking insecurities.
Magkaroon ng magandang ngipin.
Pag magsiselfie ka dati, paano?
Pag may isa,
Parang ganun.
ganun yung mga haba ng
Oo, sige. Sarap.
Yummers!
Bitin.
Ah, nanginig guys, oh. Nakatatlong palitaw na.
Standby.
So, here's our special guest for today.
Then don't go lah, stay here.
Sukhan, so high maintenance. You see, guys, how she eat the noodles. So elegant, yeah.
Nagpaparinig.
The two elegant ladies in the OT. Yeah. Wow. So,
Ala, hindi daw kasama si Mami. Not included, only ako lang.
so, and say hi to the vlog. Yeah. There's another guest. Here's Carla.
So I need to subscribe your
Yeah, you subscribe. So what's your secret of looking young, feeling good, and
keep secret
looking
all
good?
the time.
Bye. Busog guys.
That's all guys for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Please subscribe for more. See you on the next one. Bye.